6 reasons why you never have anything to wear. Hi, my loves, it's your favorite girl, Ella Style. The first reason is you do not buy your basics. I'm talking of the foundation you use to build your outfits. Let me break everything down, like your white tees, your blazer, your white sneakers, black sneakers, your nude pumps, that's nude high heels, your tailored pants, black tailored pants, white tailored pants. These are basics you need to build up your closet, to mix match your clothes, and to make sure that you're looking beautiful every single. Next one on my list is you that is always looking for sales here and there, 50% off, 20% off, 30% off. You are always jumping from one store to the other, looking for the best sales. Come closer. Come closer. See, I need to let you know that in as much as these items are cheap or you are getting it on a bargain, you should be conscious of what you're picking during the sales, because maybe carried away with a bargain or with the price or with a discount on these items, and you will find out that you end up buying what you don't need. So make sure that whatever items you're picking in this sales, multiple sales you're seeing everywhere, make sure it's actually what you want, what you need, and what you would wear. If not, don't buy. You do not declutter your closet. I know that decluttering your closet could be very, very hectic, especially for working moms, because you have a whole lot of work in the office, and then when you come back home, you're exhausted. You don't even want to lift a muscle. You should take out time at least once in every 6 months and declutter your closet. That way, it's easier to sort out whatever clothes you're going to be wearing for the next day. You don't have to spend so much time waiting in that closet or going late to work. The next reason why you do not have anything to wear in your closet is simply because you have not taken out time to understand your personal style. What kind of clothes are you drawn to? Whenever you see an outfit you love, create a folder in your gallery and then before saving all those styles. In 1 week, go and check the kind of styles that you see there. If you see more of corporate looks, then automatically you're a corporate lady. If you see more of casual looks, then automatically you are a casual lady. If you see more of sexy looks, my lady, my boss ladies, you are automatically a sexy body. If you see more of boo-boos in that gallery, you are automatically a rich auntie vibes. Like it goes, the list goes on and on. As I said, my own personal style is classy looks, and from my videos, from my look, you will basically see that I represent classy looks. And immediately you find your style, your wardrobe will reflect that style, because you will start to buy clothes or outfits related to that style. So you need to start finding your style right now so that you'd always have what to wear. You do not dress for your present lifestyle. The outfits in your closet must represent your present lifestyle. So, for example, you were a corporate mom and right now you left your 9 to 5 job and you are working as an entrepreneur, selling food items, selling clothes. Basically, with this, you should know that you should be drawn to like casual look. If you're a lady that's transitioning from the corporate world, the 9 to 5 to an entrepreneur life, you should focus more on casual, comfortable looks. The next on my list is outfits in your closet do not fit you. That's why you hardly have what you wear. Now you're there waiting for until, hey, I'm on weight loss journey, I need to like lose weight. Why not dress for your present body shape, or why not dress for your present body? Your present body deserves to look good. Yeah. Or you buy an item from the market and it does not fit you and you are wearing it like that. Why? Tell me. I need to know why. You should have a standby tailor by your side you can easily run to and have your clothes mend to your present body size. That way, whenever you go to your closet, you will always find what to wear that would suit and fit you. I hope people are learning something. I hope you're learning something because there's a whole lot of value packed knowledge in this. Now, the last on my list is you own too many clothes. You heard me right. You have a lot of clothes. And sometimes having a lot of clothes could be overwhelming. I find myself in such situations at times because when you have a whole varieties of clothes, both the ones you are wearing, the ones you are not wearing, the ones that doesn't fit you, the one that doesn't align with your life, your present lifestyle, the ones you bought on a budget because it's on a sale and you don't need. All these items are all in your closet and they are a whole lot for you. You're feeling so overwhelmed. The trick here is to declutter your closet, rearrange your closet. After decluttering your closet, you need to rearrange it. Take away the clothes you are not wearing presently. Any clothes that you have not worn for 1 year, maximum, please take that clothes out. Now, there are different ways for you to like make sure that you're not losing out while decluttering your closet. You can sell your pre-loved items online. You can do like a yard sales. You can give it out to motherless baby. Your sister that is always coming to like pick one or two things in your house. Please dash her so that she will have something to wear. Don't be stingy. Dash her. Oh my god, even as I'm doing this video right now, anything they see on my body that they like is going. Otilo is going immediately. So give out whatever outfits you're not wearing, and these options I've listed out for you are things you can try out. Having too many clothes can never be a problem for you. It's not a problem. The only thing is you just need to like stay and be organized. Rearrange your clothes, blazers for blazers, pants for pants, tops for tops, colors for colors. Like color grade your outfits and arrange it according to the fit and styles as well, and you'll find out that having so many clues would no longer be a problem for you. I hope you like and love this section. I do. I hope you do. Let me know in the comment section, and also let me know the next video you would want me to like create for you guys, because I'm here to serve you all. And I would like to know what exactly you watching me from this screen right now, what exactly do you struggle with that you need help with? Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be dropping a video concerning that topic. Much love, Ella Styling. Bye bye.